Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 40. My name is Walter. We are still working with fraction word problems. Let us direct do this question together. It says, Emmanuel spent 1/3 of his money on house rent, 1/8 on school fee, 1/6 home expenditure. Find the fraction of the remaining money. In this question, they give us the fraction on house rent, fee, and expenditure. Now we know the total amount of money that Emmanuel has is equal to 1. To get the fraction of the remaining money, we are going to take 1, take away the sum of all these fractions. Now let's summarize our givens. The fraction of house rent, I call it A, which is equal to 1/3. The fraction on school fee, I call it B, which is equal to 1/8. And the fraction of house expenditures, I call it C, which is 1/6. Now, let fraction of remaining money is equal to X. We know that when we add all the fractions, we are going to get one whole number, A plus B plus fraction C plus the fraction of the remaining money. This gives us 1. A is equal to 1/3. B is the fraction of school fee, which is equal to 1/8, plus the fraction for expenditure, which is C, is equal to 1/6, plus X, this is equal to 1. We are going to add this fraction here, 1/3 plus 1/8 plus 1/6. The LCM of 3, 8, and 6 is 24. 24 divided by 3, we get 8. 8 times 1, we'll get 8. Plus 24 divided by 8, the 3. 3 times 1, we get 3. Plus 24 divided by 6, we'll get 4. 4 times 1, we get 4. Plus X, this is equal to 1. 8 plus 3 plus 4, it is 15 out of 24. Plus X, this is equal to 1. Take 15 out of 24 to the other side. That is, X is equal to 1. Take away 15 out of 24. The value of X is equal to 1. Take away 15 out of 24. But we know 1 is the same as the denominator, 24 out of 24. X will be equal to 1 equal to 24 out of 24. Take away 15 out of 24, which will give us X is equal to 9 out of 24. We can simplify here by 3 is equal to 3. By 3 is equal to 8. But remember, we let X as a fraction of the remaining money. So the fraction of the remaining money is equal to 3 out of 8. I hope you understand this word problem. For more questions on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.